Hello everybody, our lesson today, integer numbers. First, let's remember together our sets we studied before. First, the set of natural numbers, it included 0, 1, 2, and so on. The set of counting numbers, its symbol C, is included 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Then notice here the smallest natural number is 0 and the smallest counting number is 1. The set of even number, its symbol is E, starts with 0, 2, 4, 6, and so on. The set of odd numbers, its symbol O, starts with 1 and 3, 5, 7, and so on. The set of prime numbers. What is a prime number? It is the number which has only two factors, 1 and itself, and it includes 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. Put suitable sign belong or not belong. 924 to n. 924 is a natural numbers. It belongs to n. Natural numbers. 8 over 3 to n. 8 over 3 means 8 by 3. We should make the division operation. 8 is not divisible by 3, then the division operation equal a decimal number. It's not belong to natural numbers. 6 over 3 or 6 divided 3. Notice that 6 is divisible by 3. Make the division operation first. 6 divided 3 equal 2. 2 belong to even numbers. 0 to counting numbers, of course 0 not belong to counting numbers. We have a new set. Our set is the set of integers. To make the set of integers, we should include the negative numbers. What is the negative numbers? Negative number is belong to Z. What is the meaning of integer number? Meaning of integer number, it's a number which has negative numbers. We need negative numbers to represent the set of integer numbers. What is our proof to negative numbers? It is the numbers less than 0. Look at the weather forecast in winter. Weather forecast in winter, you will find some cities, its temperature is negative. Give a first negative temperature in the weather forecast. Number 2, if you lose money in your project, if you lose money, that you make a negative number. Number 3, the sea level is 0. If we go deep in the sea, that means we have a negative number because the sea level is 0 and we go deep, then we go less than 0. The set of integer numbers Z, negative numbers, and natural numbers. Negative numbers starts with -1, -2, -3, and so on, and the natural numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Then we have counting number subset of natural numbers and natural number subset of integer numbers. its symbol is Z. We can say negative numbers union 0 union Z positive. We can say the set of integer number equal Z negative union natural numbers. Z positive starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, and it's the same set of counting numbers, but we called it now Z positive. Z negative starts with negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and so on. Put the suitable sign belong, not belong, subset, not subset. Negative 2 to natural number. Negative 2 is not a natural number, then not belong. 0.5 to Z. The set of integers have only whole numbers, without decimal point, without proper fractions, then not belong to Z. 9, 2 over 4, negative 1 to Z. First, we should make the division operation here, 2 over 4. If we simplify it equal half. Half is not a whole number, then not subset. N to Z positive, not subset. 2 of Z, of course 2 is an integer, subset. 0 to Z, of course subset. Negative 8 divide 2. Negative 8 divide 2 equal negative 4. Negative 4 belong to Z. 2, 1, 0, negative 1 to Z for subset. Absolute negative 4. The absolute value is always positive, while 4 belong to natural numbers. Z negative to Z for subset. N to Z. N is a subset of Z. 5 subset of Z positive. Complete. Z intersection N. Z intersection N. The common between Z and N is N. Z difference N. Z difference N equals Z negative. N union Z negative. N union Z negative equals Z. Z negative intersection Z positive. Notice Z negative is negative numbers and Z positive is positive numbers. There is no common elements between them. Then the intersection equal 5. Z difference Z negative equal N. Z difference Z positive equal 0. Z positive intersection N equals Z positive. N union what equals Z? N union Z negative. Z negative union what equals Z? Equal N. Z negative intersection N. There is no intersection between Z negative and N equal 5. 0 union Z positive. 0 union Z positive equal N. N difference 0 equal Z positive or counting numbers, and it's the same counting number is the same Z positive. Thank you for listening and meet you in the next lesson, inshallah.